Hi, welcome all. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the post market analysis. Nifty price action sideways to range bound activity seen for the entire trading session. Nifty opened at 18,682 to test the levels of 18,646 on an intraday basis and attempted a bounce back till 18,722 to closed at 18,691, signaling a weaker bias. Nifty futures resisted around 18,808 and saw a profit booking to test the levels of 18,690. As of now, the Nifty range being 18,600 to 18,800, major supports at 18,600, on resistance at 18,800 and 945. Nifty only if trades decisively above 18,830 and 930 might keep the bulls alive. On the other hand, Nifty if breaks 18,620, we might see selling pressure to continue till 18,500 to 18,450 in coming sessions. Bank Nifty consolidation testing times 43,200 to 44,300. Break of either range convincingly would set the trend for the indices. Happy trading. Thank you.